To start setting up your catalog, navigate to your account and look at the left-hand side where you can scroll down to the bottom. Once there, click on Settings. Now, open the catalog. You have the option to add products individually, or you can choose to bulk add them. You'll find a sample file available for download. Download this file and enter your product details into it. Once you've filled in here the details, upload the file back into the system. After the upload is complete, you should see your product name, size, and weight displayed. If you're ready to add packages, you can add a single package or a bulk package. To add a single package, click on Add Single Package. Provide a name for the package, select a packaging type, and enter the dimensions for it. Once you complete these details, your package will appear in the system. To associate a product with a package, click on Add Mapping. Choose the product you want to map and select the appropriate packaging SKU. Confirm your selection and save it. Once mapped, your product will be successfully linked to the package. For warehouse management, go back to Settings, select Warehouse Addresses, and then click on Add Address to fill the warehouse details. After creating the warehouse, you'll have a warehouse ID that will be essential for your integrations. Moving on to user management, go to Settings, click on User Management, and then Add User to enter the other person's name. Decide on the type of user account, whether it's an admin or a child account. Set up a password and determine if this user should have access to buyer data, financial data, or both.